Hey everybody, all right, very good. Hey guys, today it's 61 degrees, all right? Guess what? Happy Halloween, guys. Happy Halloween, guys. All right, guys. Hey guys, today we're gonna make delicious food, all right? Very easy to make it, all right? And it's gonna taste delicious, guys. But don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go, guys. Today, look how beautiful it looks here. You guys can see that? How beautiful it looks. All right, that looks good. And it's gonna taste delicious, guys. Today I'm gonna make baked eggplants. All right, guys, I have two beautiful large eggplants. All right, let's start this. All right, guys, let's start. All right. Very good, guys. First you take this baby, all right, and you cut the edges. All right. The other side, you do the same thing. Very good. All right. So now you're gonna slice. All right. First I'm gonna slice over here. That's good. All right. That's one. Right, very good. Make sure doesn't matter the way you cut, right? Straight or if you get crooked. I will make 4 of them, okay? All right. This is 4. Plus I'm gonna make 4 more. All right. So total is gonna be 8. Let me see if I can fit here this. Yeah, I'll be able to fit this. All right, looking good. All right, guys. Now, what we're gonna do is, all right, and put this here. So now, I cut 8 pieces here. All right, guys, you can see that. Looks beautiful. All right, very good, guys. Now, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna show you everything what I have here, all right, to do this delicious dish, all right? I have here 1/4 cup of olive oil. I have 1 teaspoon of oregano, all right, guys, oregano. I have 1 teaspoon of pepper. If you guys doesn't like pepper, just don't use, all right? I have here 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. All right, guys, garlic powder. I have here 1 teaspoon of thyme. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, and I have 1 teaspoon here of Italian season, guys. Yes. All right, guys, this is for the seasoning. All right, this is for the seasoning. So let's start to do the seasoning. All right, I'm gonna start very shortly to do the seasoning. All right, so this one is for the top. All right, for the top, to put in the top of the eggplant. Okay, for the top, I have 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I have 1 pound of fresh mozzarella, and I have 10 ounces of cherry tomatoes, and I have 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. If you guys doesn't like hot sauce, just don't use it. All right. So here I have 2 tablespoons of capers. All right, guys, capers is delicious. You guys have to try that, all right? And also I have 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, right? Breadcrumbs, guys, all right. So let's start this. This is for the top, all right? First, I'm gonna start with the seasoning, right? For the seasoning, you're gonna need this, right? Little brush, all right? So let's start this. Okay, first I'm gonna start with my olive oil. All right, very good. It's looking good, guys. After that, it's gonna be my oregano. Just mix together. All right, so the flavor and the color comes together, guys. All right, very good. So now this is my garlic powder. All right, and this is my thyme. Very good. And this is my salt. All right, get there. Very good. So, and this is my Italian seasoning. All right, guys, very good. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix it up. All right, mix it up. All right, very good. So what I'm gonna do even better now, because I want this to come up 100% delicious. All right, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut for the other side too. All right, why not? Why not? Okay, the other side. Let me cut for the other side. Okay, this is already cut for the other side. Let's cut. Looking good. All right. I want this come up very, very good, guys. So you can do only one side if you want, all right? But this time I'm gonna do it both sides. All right. So it's looking good. They're nice and big. Okay, I did this. All right, I did everything basically. All right, so it's looking good, guys. So now what we're gonna do is, I have my seasoning here. Right? It's mixed up nice and neat. So what I'm gonna do is paste. See that? Can bring the camera together here so you guys can see. See how nice it's looking? Very good, guys. Looking good. Wow. This is gonna taste delicious, and I am hungry. I'm very hungry, guys. And I'm sure it's gonna be ready very soon. All right. Looking good. All right, that's looking good, guys. Flavor is coming together. All right. All right. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna do both sides. All right. I did one side, so now it's time for the other side. Very good. You guys just have to take your time, all right? And everything will come up beautiful. All right. All right. So let's go do this. The other side. Right. Very good. It's looking good. Right. It's almost done. All right, looking good. All right, very good. All right, guys. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this to my oven. My oven is preheat 350. All right, so let's go put this baby. So you want to cook this just halfway done. All right, halfway done. All right. So for now, you're gonna have only halfway done because I have to take it out and put the top, and I'm gonna bring back again. All right. So very good. Let's cook this baby, guys, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey everybody, all right. Has been 35 minutes in my oven. All right, time to check. All right, looks good. Looking good, guys. You guys gonna do is you guys get a fork and a stick. All right, if it's soft, it's ready. That means it's ready, guys. All right, it's ready for the next step. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this. This is my chef. All right, guys, I love them. All right, very good. Here you go. Just take that. All right, very good. All right, guys. Now what you're gonna do is the spray cooking. All right, you spray in the pan here in the dish. All right, so it doesn't stick. All right, guys, very good. It's looking good. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer. All right, we're gonna transfer. Looking good. All right. There. Very good. All right, it's 4 there. Plus 4. It's very easy to make it. All right. Take your time. And it's gonna taste delicious. And I'm hungry, guys. I'm hungry. All right. Very good. All right. So now, guys, what you guys gonna do is, let me put this over here. All right, what you're gonna do is you get the fresh mozzarella cheese, all right? Get a bigger container. You get the cherry tomatoes, mix it up. As you can see, the colors and the flavor comes together, all right, guys? The colors and the flavor come together. The salt. Very good. This is my hot sauce. All right, guys. Very good. Whoa, that looks good. Go. Now I have my, I love this. Capers, guys, capers. My capers. All right. I love capers. All right, so now this is my breadcrumbs. All right, see, guys, the color and the flavor comes together. All right, very good. So my breadcrumbs, dump there. So now what you're gonna do is you mix it up. All right, very good. All right, it's looking good, guys. Mix very well, all right? Mix very well. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, guys. Look how, that's how it's supposed to be. All right? So mix it up very well. So now we're gonna put in the top. All right? You have to, you can touch with your hands, all right? I wash my hands. All right? Looking good, guys. All right, guys. It's getting there. All right. It's looking good. So colorful. You can bring the camera close. All right. It's looking good. Now you guys can see how it looks. All right. Beautiful, nice and colorful. All right, guys, and I promise it's gonna taste good. All right, guys, let's put these babies to cook. All right, my stove, it's heating for 350. Okay, let's go to put these babies back here. It's very simple to do it, and anybody can do it. All right, take your time, and I promise it's gonna taste delicious. All right, guys, see you guys later. Hey guys, all right. Hey guys, time to check. All right, time to check, guys. It's been in the oven for about like, I say 20 minutes. All right, it's time to check. Let's go. Ooh, look at that. Look how beautiful it looks, guys. All right, it's looking good, guys. All right, so let this baby cook. All right, guys, and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys. All right, time to check again. Woo, that looks good. That looks very good, guys. All right, nice. It's getting there. All right, it's almost ready. Hey, guys, I'm gonna let this cook for 2 more minutes. All right, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right, woo! Very good, guys. Hey guys, final product. All right, guys, here you go. All right, it's looking good. Looking good, guys. Hey guys, take your time. It's very, very easy recipe. All right, just have to take your time. All right, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Okay, my YouTube channel, guys. Also, don't forget to, in my video, to the right, they have the narrow down. Touch the narrow down, all my recipe will come up. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you know how this tastes. All right. Whoa, that looks good. It's looking good, guys. Now, what you do is get some Parmesan cheese. All right. And some fresh pepper. All right. I love fresh peppers. Let you know, guys. Whoa. Hungry. Hey guys, this is very good. Wow. It's melting in my mouth. The eggplant. I have to take another bite, guys. All right. This tastes unbelievable. All right. You guys have to try this. Doesn't take long, right? Take about, to finish the whole thing will took me about like 1 hour. All right. Wow. Hey guys, you guys have a beautiful Halloween, all right? Love you all.